Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview Tab 12, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, we're gonna hold our power button, and from there we're gonna choose power off. When the device turns off, you wanna hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now once you do so, immediately when you see the Blackview logo, you want to let go of both of them. If you hold it for just a little bit too long, it will boot you to a completely different mode. So just make sure you just let go of it like as quick as you can once you see the logo. And in here, we'll have a bunch of different options. Let me just clean off the smudges. There we go. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which presumably will do nothing. We have fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, non-system, relax, run tests, and power off the device. So those are all the options, and you navigate through them using volume up and volume down. There we go. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So I'm gonna select or confirm the reboot system now, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.